to Forensics Detectors. I'm Dr. Car's Chief Engineer, and today we're unboxing our travel carbon monoxide detector. Perfect for those weird locations. Airbnb, driving in a bus, plane. This little beauty is a one-button operation. Has a max feature, battery indicator, protective housing, aluminum housing, alarms at 9, 25, 50 parts per million, low level carbon monoxide for your full protection. Enjoy the unboxing, enjoy the product. We'll see you soon. Forensic detectors, and let's go ahead and unbox our travel carbon monoxide detector. This little package comes in a silver envelope. Inside you will find two items. One is your user manual and the other is your travel carbon monoxide detector. This manual is on our website, so if you lose it, do not read it. Please read it though, it's very, very important. This is of course a safety product. Okie dokie. So let's go around the carbon monoxide detector. Before we do that, let's turn on this guy. The middle button is a on-off button. Go ahead, depress that. You will find the detector will take about 3 minutes for it to turn on, and it is calibrating, ensuring that it is accurate. Okie dokie. So let's go around and see this beauty detector. So we have our LCD screen at the front, our blue LED that shows you the maximum when the button is depressed momentarily. At the bottom we have our red LEDs. If these guys are flashing, the LED alarms have been triggered. Okie dokie. At the back here we have, as you could see, the detector itself in aluminum housing and a protective plastic cover with side grills and an adhesive back. You see that? So you could take that off and you could stick it somewhere where you wish. If you don't want to do that, not a problem. Just don't take off the label. Okie dokie. And as you can see, the protective cover has grills to ensure the air is going through onto the sensor hole. So let's go ahead and slip that off, which slips off quite nicely. And let's have a look at the back of it, folks. Okie dokie. At the back we have our hole for our buzzer alarm. We have the actual sensor hole where the gas is detected. We have a product label, serial number and expiry date, and we have our battery compartment, which takes 2 times CR 2032. And folks, quarters do not fit in this slot. Make sure you use something a little bit thicker. Give it a swirl, just like so, and it comes off. There you are. Very easy, okay? I know customers that use quarters, they have some problems. Please do not use quarters for that situation. So that's the detector. Now, a few items, folks. Please do not carry the detector without the case and place it like that thinking carbon monoxides get to the center hole. It will not. So that is a warning. Please do not do that. You're better off ensuring you're always carrying the CO detector in its housing. Okie dokie. So again, as I said, that will take 3 minutes. Let's put that on the side and show you a detector that's already been switched on after the 3-minute situation. Okie dokie. As we could see, if one does depress the on-off button very quickly, you see the blue light, and that tells you now the CO max reading. Okie dokie. As you can see, it's 0, and we have the battery indicator. Let's go ahead and give this guy a quick burst of carbon monoxide so you guys can see how it actually alarms. This is a high concentration of carbon monoxide gas. I'm just going to squirt it at the back here momentarily, and bang, it exceeds 50 parts per million, and immediately the LEDs are buzzing. The buzzer is buzzing also, and it is now still going up. It's very, very sensitive, as you could see. So that is the on-off unboxing and a quick demo of our personal travel carbon monoxide detector. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.